This is my project on Art Apre, Rococo. The Swing by Fragonard. Welcome to the world of Rococo, an art movement full of elegance, romance, and refined beauty. It began in the early 70s in France, right after the death of King Louis. Unlike the serious and dramatic Baroque style, Rococo is lighter, playful, and more joyful. French background or Rococo interiors. After the intense, rural life in Versailles, the French nobility longed for fun and freedom. They returned to Paris, and there, Rococo was born, a beautiful escape from seriousness to light, decorative art. Key characteristics. Diana Batting by Boucher. Rococo art is known for its pastel colors, soft curves, and romantic, dreamy scenes. It often shows playful novels, mythological goddesses, and nature. Brushstrokes are smooth and ceilings, usually done in oil paint on large canvases or ceilings. Famous artists Fragonard, Boucher, Vigée Lebrun, the three iconic artists of Rococo. Jean-Honoré Fragonard, known for the swing and light-hearted, charming scenes. Francis Boucher, painted goddesses and fantasy-filled, graceful images. Elizabeth Vigée Lebrun, a celebrated woman painter who portrayed Marie Antoinette with emotion and beauty. Legacy and influence. Fashion or Rococo-style films like Tangled. During the French Revolution, Rococo was criticized for being too light and indulgent, but today, its influence remains in fashion, interior design, and even films like Disney Tangled. The dreamy beauty of Rococo still lives on. Conclusion, quote or closing image. Rococo is celebration of love, beauty, and imagination. As seen in Fragonard art, art doesn't always have to be serious. Sometimes, it simply lifts the heart. Thank you for watching.